Welcome to the day's business. Corporate Kenya is urging government to fast-track its divestiture from state-owned entities. The Nairobi Securities Exchange chair, Kiprono Kittony, says that the delayed listing of the companies by government has slowed down activities at the bourse. The National Treasury plans to offload its stake in about 10 listed companies such as KENGEN, Kenya Power, Kenya Airways, and the Consolidated Bank. Regina Manyara with that report.
The National Treasury has in the last 10 years mooted a plan to offload its stake in a number of state-owned enterprises, among them Consolidated Bank, East African Portland Cement, Kenya Airways and Safaricom, to spur activity at the Nairobi Securities Exchange. However, these plans have been frustrated by slow and complicated state bureaucracy. Despite the challenges, some firms have success stories.
But more notably, Your Excellency, we have really penetrated the MSME market. Today, as a bank, we have over 1.9 million Kenyans in the MSME market with us. We went into fund management. We have a subsidiary business for fund management.
For Cooperative Bank, its first IPO raised over 5.4 billion shillings, and the funds came in handy in supporting the transformation agenda of the bank.
The privatization of state-owned enterprises will mark a decisive point in broadening Kenya's appeal to both domestic and international investors.
To reduce the billions of shillings in government bailouts to some entities, the private sector is calling for privatization of a number of parastatals to improve management and increase efficiency.
Equally request the government to consider releasing additional shares in already listed companies, KCB, Safaricom and the likes, enabling us to increase more opportunities, revitalize interest among Kenyans, as well as to help address corporate governance issues.
They say privatization will help reduce and eventually eliminate the need for capital grants, which are increasingly denting Kenya's budget. The boss will leverage on the program to increase awareness of the available investment opportunities and attract foreign direct investments.
The capital markets, the NSE legal framework to enforce very strong corporate governance. This is what has enabled Equity in the last 3 years to be able to raise 150 billion Kenya shillings of foreign loans.
Regina Manyara reporting for Prime Edition.